Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is following currently my forecast here. We're climbing higher, which is great. We are in line with the overall bullish scenario and the way this is developing since the CPI data announcement or release. Yeah, it's pretty much, I'm happy with that scenario. Yeah, it's following currently the bullish wave count, and however, I have to say still Bitcoin is still quite far behind, for example, Ethereum, behind, for example, Ethereum Classic, behind Quant, and behind Matic, for example, yeah, and even behind Kronos, which is also developing nicely, and also behind VeChain. Okay, so these coins are all doing nicely. Probably forgot a few, but Bitcoin is, while it's also going up, it's slow. It's a slow mover here at the moment. Nevertheless, yeah, as long as this is happening like that, we are moving in the right direction. There's no problem with it. Yes, it's a bit like a snail here at the moment, but it still is moving in the right direction. It has tried to break out again above this $24,300 level that we tried to break out a few times, but every time we climbed up a little bit higher. Can you see that from here, from the 20th of July? Then here we moved higher on the 30th of July, and now we again moved up a little bit higher. So that's all looking good at the moment. And as long as here the low is holding here, that last low especially, well, the more meaningful one is here 22,400, and then especially 20,700. As long as these levels are holding, yeah, I'm pretty much in the camp of people who say that the low could have been in, and therefore I give the bullish, or have been giving the bullish scenario for quite a while now, a 60% probability. So it is in line with expectations what we're currently doing, climbing higher. Can I completely rule out the bearish scenario? No. That's why I'm giving it still a 40% probability. And to a degree, and also to be fully honest here, nobody knows what's going to happen here, but we are currently following nicely the bullish wave count. We're adding a few 1-2 setups, so it's basically coiling up for something very bullish. That's at least what you have to expect when you are forming those 1-2 setups. And here we recently formed another 1-2 setup. But to a degree, it's also speculation here, of course. You know, as everything, we are speculating. As long as we don't see here the larger pattern unfold, like on the Ethereum chart, yeah. On the Ethereum chart, we see a nice 5-wave move. We don't have that here. We have a 1-2, we have another 1-2, and another 1-2. What we finally want to see is that this 5-wave move is unfolding. Only when you see the 5-wave move unfold, then those patterns will become way more reliable. Yeah, way more. So we want to see that 1-2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 unfold, as I indicated here already. We want to see that unfold. And those are the meaningful waves, and they stay. And then we want to see the ABC down in a 3-wave move, and that will be stable. What's happening in these subwaves in the daily volatility? Yeah, that is to a degree quite uncertain. Still, we want to map it, we want to track it. It often works, it doesn't always work, of course not. But for orientation purposes, of course, we track here the hourly as well, but they are fragile, as I said before, they are fragile. And again, I have to make a small change here to the wave count again with the latest developments. That's not a problem. Again, it hasn't really changed anything. Showed you in the previous video that we can expect here a 5-wave move unfolding. Yeah, in a wave 3, we can count 5 waves. So I would now count this as complete as a 5-wave move. Overall, though, I would like to make just take all these subwaves out, and we just move that one here, because you can count all of this as an entire 5-wave move now. Subwaves are not that important at the moment. We had basically here a 1, a 2, a 3 up here, then a 4, and this last wave was then a wave 5 to the upside. Yeah, so that's currently working out quite nicely. But yeah, wave 1 peaked in my opinion. I think we could now be in this wave 2 to the downside, not necessarily expecting a strong retracement. Could be quite shallow in this wave 2. So looking here at possibly the 38.2% fib level, that would be at 24k, yeah, as a possibility. That's sort of the first meaningful support I'd be looking at. Also the previous high here from that wave 3 high. Yeah, and if that doesn't hold, I think we can look at the 23.8k level again, which is the 50% fib retracement. However, we've just come back to an important support as well, so there's no guarantee that we are not already turning around to the upside. What you need to understand, we are in an uptrend, in my opinion. Yeah, I think we are in an uptrend. We are in a 5-wave move pattern to the upside that could really confirm in the next few days, weeks probably, that bullishness in a larger 5-wave move pattern. So because at the moment we only see a degree or a series of 1-2 patterns. So in an uptrend, a correction to the downside, if we're really getting very bullish, especially after a truncated low like this one here, the wave C, after a truncated low like this one, the movement can be very bullish and those retracements can be shorter. And therefore, any move up or even an earlier start to the upside, which is at any time possible, especially now that we've come back to support, is possible. Best confirmation, in my opinion, that this wave 2 is over is a move above that 24.9k level. Next resistance would then be for me the 25,000, pretty much 25,750 US dollar level. Okay, so there will be a wave 3 coming. We can't really calculate where that will go to because we don't really know yet where the wave 2 is ending. Bear in mind, this is micro counting. The larger waves have been largely unaffected, really. Okay, and again, as long as that low is holding here at 22,700 pretty much, and then 22,400, and the most meaningful one is probably here 20,700. As long as they are holding, I'm going to be focused further to the upside with a 60% probability. I'm only going to increase the probability for that as soon as we have the first 5-wave move complete and will come down in an ABC in an accumulation area where we're then going to be able to accumulate again. Now, all of these wave 3s, where are they going to land? I think we're looking really at something around 30k here for the overall move. But I will be able to specify that further probably in the next few days when we get a bit more clarity about how this is going to unfold further. But for now, the trend is up, and what I showed you in the last few days and weeks here, that I don't think this is a bear flag. In fact, we are coiling up for something more parabolic here in a curve. This seems to be playing out. All right, that's my view about Bitcoin. Looking really good, looking interesting. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really enjoy the content, then check out the channel membership. Here you can get access to the Telegram live chat groups, the Discord server with more chat rooms, announcement channel, a signals channel. What else do we have? Lots of stuff. Live stream, a weekly live stream on Sunday, and a really positive community. Really positive community. I'm so thankful for all the support, and there's so much going on for MCO, and much more is planned that I can't even talk about. In addition to that, please make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter as well. Was able to ban or get banned a series of fake accounts now, so a lot of impersonator accounts are gone, which is fantastic as well, but they will probably reappear. So always be careful with who you talk to. I would never send you a direct message on Instagram or anywhere and especially not ask you to send any money or any crypto to my wallet. Okay, so hopefully you like the update. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.